I'm going to Coachella! Last night was crazy. Ooh, guys. Type A! Guys, pan-tropic ko na yun. Wala na talaga. Naiyak na ako. Ayoko na! I still can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm going to Coachella! I actually need to leave now, and makikita niyo kung sino yung makakasama ko. From LA, we're heading to Palm, which is dun yung area, dun gaganapin yung Coachella, and I'm just very, very excited to get on the road kasi 4 hours away yan from here sa LA. Yeah, I'll just take you with everything that I'm gonna do for Coachella, lahat ng party, getting ready, after party, eating out, everything. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy. So yeah, let's go. Yeah. Hey guys, say hi to my vlog! Guys, this is insane.
Coachella, here we go. Yes, Bieber Chella, Sabrina Chella, and Carol G Chella.
Guys, first time ko lang ever ma-meet si Ate Ella and si Ashley. For sure, nakikita niyo sila sa mga vlog. And
Yes.
I'm so excited!
It's our first time to meet this Latina baby doll. Right?
Like, I always see her on
And
TikTok.
grabe,
Ang gaganda niyo. I swear when I saw Ate Ella earlier, she was wearing like a boot. I'm like, ooh.
She's ready. Hindi lang talaga kasya sa maleta ko. So,
And no, she's a light packer, guys.
Yeah.
Literally one.
I can't
luggage.
relate.
Oh my
I
God,
can't
I
relate.
could never do that.
Sorry guys, overthinker type A problem.
Yeah. Guys, sabi ko kay Ashley, Ash, I'm gonna buy us drinks. Do you want anything? Sabi niya, no, I'm good.
I'm good. Sabi ko, magdala ka ng pang-personal mo. Grabe yung personal ni Chris.
Anim.
Good for the month? Good for one night?
Napapaghalata ang parang alcoholic talaga.
Lalaklakin mo ba yan lahat today?
No, to be fair, 2 per day yan. So,
okay. May
kumbaga,
schedule.
yes, tandaan guys, 3 days tayo.
Okay.
Right.
So,
So,
I love it.
Type A. Guys, ginagaya ko na si Ate Ella. I'm like planning my life ahead of me.
Yeah.
Like, I need to be type A.
As a planner na din.
Yeah, super type A ni Ate Ella. I'm actually jealous. I'm just a girl in the world. So guys, I'm gonna show you the struggle. I have 3 luggages but I plan to just bring 1 para makasave kami ng space sa car. So I'm transferring yung mga kailangan ko dito sa maliit kong maleta. So lahat ng Coachella stuff ko, yun lang yung dadalhin ko. Well, that's my goal. And sana kumasya siya kasi right now, it's not looking good. Pero if may eco bag, feeling ko, kaya naman. Guys, I did it! I'm such a light packer na. Guess what? Type A! Type A! Ate lang inspo ko, guys. Yay! Ariel! I'm so proud of you. Well,
May pansit ko to.
gusto ko yung pansit. Guys, guess what I brought?
Oh my God! Or talagang
No,
snack mo?
it's mine. Like,
Ah,
for
okay.
us. Sabi ko, if you're gonna be away from Philippines 2 weeks, you need to bring something from your home.
He's a taas diet. This is the secret to body tea.
Exactly. Essentials. Pancit Canton, sponsor me. Kita nyo yan. Mahal ko kayo. Guys, we are now on the way to the desert! Guys, Lance is driving! Say hi!
Hello!
And Ate Ella.
We're up to Coachella!
Coachella.
My seatmate! And I'm so excited! This is the day 0 of Coachella. Makikita nyo mamaya pagdating namin doon, mag-Airbnb tour kami. Joshua Tree, that's where we're going. And pinahiram sa akin ni Ash yung setup niya para matry. Makikita nyo rin to sa vlog niya for sure. Guys, sa mga gusto ng mismong camera and setup na to, nasa link ni Ashley. So please just buy it from her.
Yung nagpeta pa siya sis.
Sa kanya guys, nasa kanya yung link, okay?
Gusto ko yung pinroll pa niya
Exactly. Sa kanya kayo bumili.
Huwag na sa
Wag na sa akin. For sure,
Babe, pwede mo rin i-link rin sa'yo eh.
for sure makakalimutan ko yan ni Iling. I swear, I'm not the type I like you. I like Ate Ella.
Nakalimutan niya, kasi hindi niya mapopost yung vlog. Sana mapopost mo yung vlog.
Hindi ko pa-post to. Uy guys, magpo-post ako. Pa-post ko to like I swear. Ang sad nga kasi hindi pwede tong camera na to sa loob ng Coachella. So phone lang muna tayo dun. But later na natin isipin yun. For now, gusto ko muna makarating kami ng maayos sa place namin. Road trip muna kami. Mahaba-haba pa to. It's like 2 hours. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Guys, we made it! We're in the desert! And sobrang ganda here. Literal na ang dami kong pwede mapagpicturean. Look at this. Wait, I'm gonna show you from the outside. Look! This is so cute! Guys, with the Porsche, this is crazy. And once you enter, ganda! OMG! The dining, and look, kitchen, the backyard. This is so desert! Guys!
Go there.
Sobra! Guys, sobrang ganda here. My ate is super ready. May shawl na siya. Oh, this is fancy! Guys, may jacuzzi. Pasabog. With the trees. Guys, wait niyo yung picture ni Ate Ella pag pinost niya na, yan, ganyan, ate, go, yan, ganyan ang pose niya dyan. Okay,
tapos na ang delivery.
okay, so guys, we're just gonna unpack, cook dinner, eat, and then go to sleep. Tomorrow, we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna give you all the teas. For now, magre-rest muna kami. Guys, we're gonna cook! So, I'm helping them na mag-cut-cut ng mga ingredients natin. Guys, naglalaro kami ng bahay-bahayan and I love this! Like, I can literally do this every day. Look at the mushrooms. It's super cute. Nagtutulong-tulungan kaming maghati ng mga onions, all of the ingredients. And excited na ako kasi ang bango ng niluluto. Ate, it's so bango. Like, I'm getting super, Here you go. Ate Ella's here.
So much, baby.
Of course. Ito po.
Thank you so
Thank you, Ate. OMG. Guys, naaamoy ko na yung aroma ng sweet potato. Hindi ko pa pala napakita to sa inyo. Look at the living room, guys. I can't wait to chill here after namin malaseng for day 1. And on this side, we have a bar. And makikita mo si Ashley who's vlogging. Ayan siya. And si Lance. Ang pogi niya, single, right? So, ayan yung Instagram. I'm vlogging him. Yan yung Instagram, guys. Message him. And cute guys only, sorry. Hindi pwede. Gusto ko na magpaka-Y8. Alam mo yung laro sa Y8? Yung mix ng alcohol. Kulit mo kasi. Sobrang kulit mo kasi. Dinner. This looks so good. We're about to food. Guys, we're about to devour this. Amen! Guys, dinala na namin ng isang buo. Wala ng
Napicturean na kasi.
Napicturean na, okay na yan.
Meron pang baby doon. Sobrang yes.
Like, sobrang yes.
Iba yung lagay, mom.
Ako talaga unang kumuha ng red. I'm red.
Saw your face in a big crowd, and now it's all.
Good morning! It's officially Coachella Day 1. And I just woke up. I put this Rode eye patches last night. And hopefully it does something to my eyes because I'm so tired. But we need to get ready kasi I only have 3 hours para may time pa ako to take photos, transition, whatever. So ngayon gagawin ko muna yung mga before transitions ko. And I'm gonna film a Get Ready With Me, which is mapapanood niyo yan sa TikTok ko. Alam niyo na yun.
Difficult. I never really know what is going on.
I did my makeup, so final touches na lang tayo. For sure, panood nyo na sa Get Ready With Me ko, kaya hindi ko na rin pinakita dito. Ngayon, eto na. Ito ang problema ko. I'm going for that Sabrina Desert Man-Child vibes, right? And gusto ko sanang mag-bangs. So, wala na akong time mag-order sa Philippines, right? Kasi hindi na siya dadating. So, I ordered off Amazon kasi gusto ko ngang mag-bangs. Tell me why. Ang na-order ko is color black. What? Guys, my hair is dark brown. Parang bunot siya pag nilagay ko. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Baka you might think I'm overreacting. Pero, tignan mo. Kita ba sa camera? Pero ang layo niya. Ooh. Guys, here's the final look. You can't tell me I didn't eat this one up. Come on. The details, the matching set, love it! I feel so good, I feel so ready. Parang, ang saya ko lang. I feel so confident in this. I also have cover up, which I turned into like a bandana. Kasi I forgot to ask for one. So, ganito muna ako sa photos. But later, susuotin ko yan pag malamig na. I'm wearing this brown cowboy boots. I just got it from Amazon. And guys, sobrang ganda niya. Right now, I feel comfortable. Wala namang anything na masakit. Pero kinakabahan ako kasi we're gonna walk about 30 steps today. 20 to 30. 20 okay pa ako, pero ate 30. Whew! Wow, I fear I will die. Anyways, we're gonna take photos. Dito na kami magpa-picture kasi marami ng tao dun sa festival. So, babalikan ko kayo pag on the way na kami. Yeah! Party! Party! Sabrina! Sabrina! Beanie! Beanie! Catch eye! Catch eye! Ay! 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 Missing the beanie and we're just watching it live. Parang traffic. So, sa phone na lang muna kami.
A few moments later.
Guys! Magpapantropi ko na sila and naiiyak na ako. Guys,
That's why. Thank you so much, Coachella. Watching in the live stream.
guys, pantropi ko na and wala na talaga, naiyak na ako. Ayoko na! Wait! Guys, we totally missed Beanie. Like, I went full on crying kasi nga gusto ko sila mapanood, but then the traffic was insane. We were stuck for like almost 2 hours, so wala kaming choice. But now, papunta na kami sa entrance and sobrang habang walk nito. Tanggalin natin ang bad vibes, ang negativity, ang sadness. Maging masaya na lang tayo. Because at the end of the day, we're at Coachella! Sobrang init, and sabi ni Ashley, Kriza, yung pag-itim ko naka-lace din.
So, abangan niyo yung pattern. Bago yun. We're gonna start a trend.
May pattern, guys, kapag ka nag-darken siya. Hey, guys, I swear kami ni Ash, wala pa kami picture.
Yeah.
Like, this whole outfit na nakikita niyo, wala. Nag-try kami sa Airbnb, but then, the shots weren't giving.
Too windy.
Sobrang windy, sobrang burnt yung atake. So, we're trying to get the shot, mga sunset, para hindi naman
Tapos babe, yung yung may Ferris wheel.
Yeah, oo, dun niya gusto, guys. Kanina pa may dumadaan ng mga jets. Hingal na ako, guys. Wala pa man din kami dun sa mga stage. Pagod na.
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Heading to the entrance now. Guys, we made it! Wait, this is the iconic Ferris wheel. So young! We made it! We made it! Oh, I'm so happy. Just see you. Into the sky.
I just wanna ball, making plays. Hit a crisscross, make a fall, win the game. Break his ankles, what you doing in my lane? Hit him with an alley oop, now they screaming out my name. Let's do it. Take it to the hoop, push through it. Get to it, showstopper.
There's only like 5 minutes difference. Cat's Eye and Sabrina. So from Sahara, we have to go to the main stage, which is lahat ng tao nagpupunta din. 20-minute walk. I said ready to Sabrina to go inside. Only what's mine is now yours. Wow! I can take it to the first, second, third floor, and I promise you this is a miracle. I guess I'm coming over to your place, and it'll lead to my calendar every night. Think I've been dead, and I swear they choose me. I'm not choosing them, baby.
A few moments later.
Guys, umiiyak na si Ashley, oh! Guys, pagod lang kami. Kung alam nyo lang, parang ang hirap gawin lahat-lahat sabay. Tapos you gotta look pretty and then at the same time content. At puta, nakakamatay. At the same time, kailangan ko mag-enjoy. Bakla. Tignan mo, nagpapahinga kami in between Sabrina set. Ganun ang buhay. Parang halo-halo na ganun. Guys, espresso na. Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! Think about me every night. Oh, that's sweet, I guess so. See, you can't sleep every night. Oh, that's sweet, I guess so. See, you can't sleep every night. Oh, it's not me, it's so. Like it's close to me. What you want? Idea for brain. Oh my. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 2 of Coachella. And last night was crazy. So crazy that I ended up waking up sick. Guys, may sakit ako ngayon. And hindi pwede. And also, na-stiff neck ako. Ni hindi ko man nang malakasan yung boses ko kasi namamalat na ako. That was just day 1. Ang lala guys ng mga nangyari kahapon, but I've definitely enjoyed. Grabe guys, yung pollution sa desert. That's what made me sick. Ang sakit ng mata ko, para siyang na-irritate kasi may contact lens and then yung mga sand and everything. Second, ang haba ng walk. Ate, parang naka 30k steps nga talaga kami. So, yun talaga yung nakakapagod and parang ang swollen ng buong katawan ko. Uminom na ako ng gamot actually. Ngayon kakain ako para magkaroon ako ng fuel. Guys, hindi tayo pwede magkasakit. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy lang tayo today dahil today is the Bieberchella. Ito actually yung big day. And today magpe-perform si Addison Rae. Guys, kung alam nyo lang kung bakit ako nagpunta dito sa Coachella is because of Addison. Actually, oo, love ko si Sabrina. Love ko si Justin Bieber. Pero ang pinaka-inaabangan ko talaga, ang pinaka-love ko talaga is si Addison. Alam lahat ng friends ko, lahat ng nakakilala sa akin, 2020 pa lang, Addison is like my top 1. Sobrang love ko yung babae na yan. Kaya ngayon sobrang excited ako kasi nakita ko siya mag-bloom. So gusto ko talaga mapanood yung performance niya. I think I'm gonna go to the barricade. I'm gonna try. Or kung hindi man, I'm gonna try to get like the best view sa harap. Kasi ay, hindi ko talaga siya kayang ma-miss, guys. Siya talaga ang isa sa mga, anong tawag dito? Wala na guys. Hindi na siya gumagana. But basically, sobrang love ko yung confidence niya. And ngayon, kakain muna tayo para may energy tayo. Guys, pinag-uusapan namin yung comment section ko sa mga TikTok ko. Nakakatawa kasi yung shorts ko parang sinasabi sana daw habaan pa, whatever. Pero alam niyo guys, yung mga tao dito sa Amerika, ang daming nag-compliment kahapon ng look ko. Kami ni Ash.
Yes. Sobrang dami.
Maganda naman kasi.
Ang daming Americans na lumapit. Oh my God, I love your outfit. Oh my God, where'd you get your outfit? You ate that. Oh my gosh. Alam mo, as in, iba-ibang tao Sa Pilipinas, I never got that many compliments in my life.
Oo nga.
Tsaka bakit ganyan yung sinasabi nyo? Alam mo nyo ba, ang Coachella, may mga nakapanty lang nagpupunta?
At saka hindi, dito sa Amerika, kapag ka mas maikli ang shorts mo, the more hot ka. Alam mo ba mga comments sa international influencers na maliliit yung shorts, parang hot, sexy, love this, body tea. Tapos sa inyo, parang gusto yung mga hatred. Bakala wag kayo maging ganyan, kaya hindi tayo umuunlad. Dapat support lang tayo.
Let people wear what they want.
Exactly. Tsaka wag kayo report nyo ni Ashley na wala tuloy. Duy, ang hirap gumawa ng content, guys, tas nawawala lang. Guys, kaya ako may sakit ngayon, ha. 8 a.m. na ako gumising. 3 a.m. na ako natulog. Si Asha, 3 a.m. na yun natulog, sabay kami. 6 a.m. siya gumising. Para lang sa mga videos, tapos matitake down lang. Masakit yun. Hindi yun parang, ay, video lang ako, guys. Trabaho yun. Ay, nakaset up full on talaga. Naghihirapan po yun. Saka tigilan nyo nga yung mga pagmamarunong nyo na para bang fashion stylist kayo dyan. Bakla, wala pa kayo masyadong ayamte. Hindi ako para mag-gown doon. Paano ka?
Hey guys! So we are now walking to the festival kasi we've been stuck here for like 30 minutes. Kanina pa kami nandyan and ayokong ma-miss si Addison. So sabi ko, guys, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to walk. Si Addison lang kasi talaga yung pinaka number 1 na pinunta ko dito. So kahit maglakad ako ng 30 minutes, maabutan ko lang siya. It's currently 5 p.m. and yes, maaraw pa rin. Maaraw dito, guys. Late nagsa-sunset. 5:30 si Addison. So meron tayong 30 minutes para mahabol siya and sobrang layong lakaran nito. But I don't care! Sabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm gonna have to watch her. Hindi ko talaga siya pwedeng ma-miss, guys. Dead man akong mangalay ako magkadapaltos-paltos to. Wala akong pake. And if you're walking and ganito yung view mo, magrereklamo ka ba? Like, diba? Ang ganda. Guys, I've been walking for 30 minutes. Addison just started. Di ako nag-stop. Ever since from kanina yung dalawang kasama nag-stop na sila. Hindi na nila kaya. But ako, which I am running. Just to go there. Oh, wow. Kakatapos nilang itugtog Diet Pepsi. Listen to my innocence, Pepsi. Say you love, say you love, say you love. Oh my God! Guys, ang ganda niya! Guys, sobrang ganda niya. Parang naiiyak ako. My name's Addison. Wait, guys, I think I'm gonna cry. Wait. Woo, wow. Alright, girls. Sobrang ganda niya. What the heck, guys? This is crazy! Insane! Guys, she brought out the pencil. Oh my God!
For everyone that came to the stage to watch. I see some familiar faces. I just want to say thank you so much. Because I truly am up here living out my wildest dreams. And it means so much that you all are here to watch and support. Can you make some noise for my beautiful dancers on stage with me? Grab your friends, your loved ones. Laying my head down. Put my head down. Good thing comes my way. So I put my head on. Listen to my favorite song.
Ay, sobra niyang ganda, sobra niyang hot, sobra niyang galing. She is everything and more. Guys, I f***ing love her. Woo! It's si Kelani! Guys, si Kelani! Wait, I'm shaking. What the wait, what the guys, wait!
I let your body decide. This is good enough for you.
Guys, this is crazy! Oh my gosh! I can't believe this!
Should be giving me love, holding me till the day is done. So if you wanna run away,
That was so fun!
Oh.
Guys, he
So does
bought I did it! Guys, I'm heading to see Pink Pantheress. There's a rumor ilalabas si Zara Larsson and kakanta sila ng stateside and I cannot miss that. So kahit na hindi sure, pupunta pa rin ako doon. And can I just say, it's getting really cold. Ang lamig. Para ako nasa winter Hong Kong. Yung nararamdaman ko ngayon with this outfit. I fear I cannot survive. Guys, like, I swear, if hindi lang ako ahon-ahaw, hindi ko bibilin tong lemonade na to. Wala pang lid.
What can I do? I'll try to be that girl like you're talking to.
Guys, 1 minute before Justin. Bakla, haggard na ako pero dead man na to. Sino nang nagkakaiyakan na yung mga tao?
Umiyak ka rin para maganda sa
Sige nga, para malataas yung views. Siya na guys, hindi ko mapapakita sa inyo yung stage. Sobrang daming tao. So, i-enjoy na lang natin to. Inudi lang tayo ni Justin Bieber. Kumbaga, pure vocals lang atake ko. Wala akong papatunayan. Ganun.
Beautiful, beautiful faces in the audience tonight.
Thank you. Yeah, right. Thanks.
We got a lot of people at home also watching.
Dali na yan! Mag-journey na tayo! Guys, wait! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Pinabaliw ang Bieber, pinabaliw what you do to me. Know who I'm thinking of. What? Girl, you make my mind run.
I got one more song for you guys, and it goes like this.
Wait! Ano to? One Less Lonely Girl! Or Beauty and the... Guys, sobrang lamig. Sobra. Alam mo, wala tong jacket na to na pinahiram sa akin ni Mama Julius. Bakla wala na. Wala na. Feel ko pass out na ako. So ito ga, grabe parang naka 50,000 steps ako ngayong araw na to and bukod pa doon. Bakla sobrang lamig. Sinisipon na ako. Sinisipon na ako, sobrang lamig. And ang haba-haba pa nung lakad namin papunta sa parking. Ngayon, pauwi na kami. And update ko kayo bukas dahil pagod na ako. Bye. Guys, may nasusunog ng kotse dito. What the heck? Reporting live, pauwi kami. And may nasusunog ng kotse. Kaninong kotse yan? I'm getting scared, guys. Seryoso, I'm getting scared. Guys, it's the last day! And nagkaka-energy na ako pag nandito na kami sa festival grounds banda. Pag paapak na kami sa parking, bumabalik na yung ano ko. Yung
Sabi lang niya, may sakit siya.
kanina may sakit ako pero ngayon parang kaya ko siyang deadmahin muna hanggang mamayang gabi lang.
May deadline.
May deadline.
May
And then pag
deadline.
uwi, parang wala patay-patay na muna.
Magiging reporter ka.
Yes,
reporting.
Claim the healing, you're okay. Guys, naloka kami kagabi, di ba ate? May sumabog, ay may talaga, may nasunog. So, over naman.
Yeah.
May nasunog na.
Sumabog.
Babe, di ko i-wish na sumabog na sakit. I wish wag siyang sumabog. May nasunog talaga, nakakaloka. Anyways, on the way na kami, it's day 3. Ang atake namin ngayon, I guess kalma-kalmahan lang. Or, totoo to si Ate Tina. I think mag-iinom si Ate Tina ngayon. Ate!
Yan ang pinakamalakas.
Ate, pa-party ka ba ngayon? Is your party day today?
May prayer meeting tayo.
Okay. Guys, kalma lang kami ngayon kasi wala kami masyadong inaabangan na artist. More on photos, food trip, konting inom siguro. Basta today is for enjoy day. Ganyan ang atake naman. So, I'll see you guys at the fest! We are here! Pero pababa na yung araw. Eh magpipicture pa naman sana ako ngayon ng mga aking pang 2016 vibes. We'll try to habol it, but if hindi na kaya, Wala tayong magagawa. We just have to accept it. Pero baka gabi na ako makapag-update sa inyo. Kasi tignan mo, it's gloomy today. So feel ko malamig mamaya. And I'm getting scared. Hindi ko naubos yung pagkain ko, may mga natirang fries. So then, itatapon ko siya. Hawak ko sa isang kamay ko yung pagkain ko and yung phone ko. Kasi dito sa kabila kong kamay, hawak ko naman is etong drink ko. Tell me why ang natapon ko is yung phone ko instead sa pagkain ko. What the f***? I had to kalkal the basura just to find my phone. May mga nakatingin pa namang lalaki katabi ko. Guys, I'm meeting up with Ash and Mika. So, let's see if magkakahanapan kami. Kasi ang hirap talaga maghanapan dito sa area na to. Wala man lang tayo.
Se negocia el cielo, dando luz en la tierra.
She just finished! That means this is the Coachella wrap. We're wrapping it up in front of the Ferris wheel. I'm gonna miss this. It was such a fun weekend. I enjoyed overall. Sana nag-enjoy rin kayo. Sana nasama ko kayo sa lahat ng ganap. I mean, hindi man lahat na pakita ko, marami ring times or memories na hindi ko na video. But at the end of the day, what deeply, truly, really matters is I enjoyed. So, yeah! Thank you guys so much for coming with me till our next trip. Wait for my LA vlog dahil for sure marami tayong gagawin doon. Shopping, mukbang, chill. Magpapaka-LA girl ako. So, I'll see you guys by then. See you! Mwah!
Alam mo, dati lahat to pangarap ko lang. Ambisyosa kasi ako eh. My dreams are so high that nobody, not even me, expected I'd reach. So kung napapanood mo to, just know na posible. Na one day, posibleng matupad mo rin yung mga dating akala mo hanggang pangarap mo lang. Na one day, kaya mo na rin pumunta sa mga lugar na gusto mong puntahan. And thank you sinamahan mo ako makarating dito. Don't worry, this time, I'll pray ikaw naman. Okay na kasi ako eh.